But it will gradually come to an end as we head into the late morning and early afternoon. But take a look right now. These are the conditions that Aaron is out in. This is a look at South Fargo, courtesy of our Luther Family Ford Skycam, and you can hardly see a thing as some heavier snow is moving through right now. And right through the Central Valley, taking a zoom in here, that dark blue is where we're seeing a very heavy band of snow just to the north of Fargo. Ada seeing heavy snow, Mayville all the way up into Grand Forks, Crookston as well. Foston starting to see some of that snow as well. This band is moving to the north and east. So Grand Forks, Foston, Thief River Falls, get ready now for a band of heavy snow to be pushing through. Here's a look at some visibilities across the region right now. Roseau down to 1 mile, 6 miles in Langdon. A mile is the visibility in Devil's Lake. 2 miles in both Grand Forks and Thief River Falls. Across the Southern Valley, we're down to a mile visibility in Fargo. 2 miles in Jamestown, still at a 1/4 mile visibility in the Oaks region. That's where we've seen the lowest visibility throughout the morning so far. Fergus Falls at 3 miles, as is Detroit Lakes. Wadena and Brainerd visibility is right now at a 1/2 mile. So conditions are not looking good if you have to go out and travel for today. 25 degrees in Fargo, so temperatures are mild to start our day. Feels like 16. Wind is not too gusty yet. Out of the south-southeast at 8 miles per hour. Moorhead currently at 25 degrees as well, and our dew point at 22 degrees. Grand Forks seeing that snow continually moving into the region. 24 degrees, feels like 15. Not a lot of wind yet either. Out of the east at 8 miles per hour. Sunrise today, 8:17, but good luck seeing it. Temperatures are, again, mild right now, but in Fargo, we're going to continually see temperatures falling through the rest of the day. I expect snow to wrap up by the lunchtime hour in Fargo. We'll even try to see a few peaks of sunshine, but we will have blowing and drifting snow. The wind is going to get worse after the snow comes to an end. Picking up out of the northwest, sustained at 20 or so miles per hour. And we're going to see much higher wind gusts. Look at these temperatures, how they fall through the rest of the day. By bedtime tonight, temperatures below 0. So let's take a look at that 7-day planner quick. Cold the rest of the day, very cold with additional snow for your Tuesday. And then we have Arctic cold. We have multiple first alert weather days for dangerously cold conditions throughout the rest of the week. So Bobby, take it easy for today. Check the latest road conditions if you have to travel, and bundle up for the rest of the week.
Yeah, just looking at those sky cams, doesn't look like that snow is ending anytime soon. Like you said,
right.
It looks nasty out there right now.
Yeah.
Summer, thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you later in the show. The rough weather is forcing a lot of closures and delays throughout the valley this Monday morning. All Moorhead public school buildings and programs are closed, and all activities are canceled. Fargo school buildings will be closed today. Students are on winter break, but all practices and activities are canceled. Only designated essential staff are required to report to work. NDSU in Fargo and NDSCS in Waponton are closed, and UND in Grand Forks is opening at 10 a.m. We have a lot more delays and cancellations, and you can check them out on our website, valleynewslive.com. We're keeping an eye on flights servicing the valley after a weekend of major delays across the U.S. A late-night flight from Minneapolis to Fargo was delayed. 3 of the first morning flights was canceled and another delayed. In Grand Forks, 1 morning flight so far is canceled. People with travel plans are urged to keep a close eye on today's flight statuses because more delays and cancellations are likely. Hundreds of flights over the Christmas holiday were canceled or delayed because of COVID and staffing, and now weather is causing new problems. For the second consecutive year, the Christmas holiday was disrupted by the COVID pandemic. This year's Omicron variant surge hit hard and fast just before the holiday season, infecting thousands daily, straining hospitals and causing chaos for holiday travel plans. Courtney Keeley has the latest from New York.
Just a day after Christmas, holiday travelers were left stranded amid a surge in COVID cases among airline crews.
It's stressful, absolutely stressful, but I mean, we're just trying to take it as it comes, and that's all you can do.
More than 3,000 flights were canceled between Friday and Sunday. a trend that's expected to continue today.
It was supposed to be, a nice family vacation, so it's been upsetting.
This cruise ship that left San Diego for Mexico last week returned to port Sunday due to a COVID outbreak among a small number of vaccinated crew on board. A new group of passengers boarded the ship later on.
No concerns. I'm careful and we're fully vaccinated.
At least a couple preliminary studies suggest that people infected by the fast-moving Omicron variant are much less likely to be hospitalized than they would with the Delta variant.